Hi guys, today I came to see the Harry Potter bridge, the famous Harry Potter film. This is the bridge they use the train running. So yeah, I'm going to see it. So this is the entrance and I have to walk 15 minutes. There you can see the bridge. Okay. This is the bridge. Let's go. The Harry Potter thing. Yeah, let's go and see. You can see the bridge from here and also nice water here. And this is the outside view. Today now is evening time, so it's about I think it's 5:15 p.m. I'm walking towards the bridge. Not many people at the moment, just few people. I don't know if the way I'm going is correct or not. I can see some people coming from that bridge. It's well cold now. Here we go, I'm looking towards the bridge. This is the bridge. So this is the bridge for the Harry Potter thing. With these beautiful mountain views. So I like this kind of view. You see people are going upstairs, up there. Okay. Maybe I have to walk. Maybe there's still time until the sun set. Push this one. Oh, you can open like this. Go like this. Oh my god, it's very cool. Now I have a beautiful mountain view. This is too much. Maybe in summer. Maybe better. Oh, people are going up there to see. No, the train is not running now. It is running after April in summertime, so people can come here and look the train. So train normally. One train going in the morning around 10:30, yeah. Another one maybe 12:30 or 12:40 something. I don't know after that. This is the bridge. So no train going at the moment. After April, you can see the train from here. So that is the place they used for the film. It's a nice view. You can see the mountain view. Oh. You can go up there. One person is here. I don't know if people are there, only me. It's only me. Anyway, I'm okay. I can't see anyone up there. Me. It's only me. I have to come with darkness. But it's okay. I'm not afraid. Oh, here you can see. Oh, here, when the train is coming, we can see wonderful view from here. You can see. Yeah, but need to come in summertime. Okay, let's. Oh, nobody up there. But it's me anyway. Let's go a little bit up more. Yeah, I think up here is finished. Okay, one guy is there and me. So this is the view. Nobody here to take a photograph. Otherwise I will give my camera to take my photograph. Nobody here. So I can see some two people coming up there. Oh, anyway, it's nice. Nice location. Nice view. Now I need to use the camera for some photographs. Yeah, when the train is coming, yeah, you will feel the Harry Potter movie. Yeah. Anyway, I saw it on the film, but yeah, finally I came to see it real. So the real place. Yeah, I'm happy. I want to see this place. Because everyone loves Harry Potter movie. I'm a big fan of it. So yeah, it's a nice place. So this guy can ask for some photo.